Hello all students, how are you all today? Hope you all are fine. Today we will start the last unit 9 for the textbook subject English. Let us start with the poem The Naughty Boy. Naughty Boy. There was a naughty boy and a naughty boy was he. He ran away to Scotland, the people there to see. Then he found that the ground was as hard that a yard was as long that a song was as merry. That cherry was as red, that lead was as weighty, that fourscore was as 80, that a door was as wooden as in England. So he stood in his shoes and he wondered, he wondered. He stood in his shoes and he wondered. New words: naughty, disobedient, found, to discover, ground, the solid surface of the earth, merry, cheerful, cherry, a small dark red fruit, weighty, having a great weight, wooden, made of wood. यहाँ पे एक लड़के की बात हो रही है जो इंग्लैंड से स्कॉटलैंड भाग के आया है टू नो दैट हाउ द पीपल्स ऑफ स्कॉटलैंड आर. बट उसने वहाँ पे जाके देखा कि स्कॉटलैंड में द पीपल दैट टू सी. देन ही फाउंड, उसने देखा कि द ग्राउंड वॉज एज हार्ड, जितना हार्ड या इंग्लैंड में था उतना ही हार्ड स्कॉटलैंड में था. जितना बड़ा यार्ड इंग्लैंड में था उतना ही लंबा यहाँ पे था. जो दैट अ सॉन्ग वॉज एज मैरी, सॉन्ग इंग्लैंड में जितने चीयरफुल थे वो यहाँ स्कॉटलैंड में उतने ही चीयरफुल थे. चेरी का कलर भी वैसा ही रेड था. दैट लीड वॉज एज वेटी, लीड एक मेटल है तो वो भी उतना ही वेट में था जितना इंग्लैंड में था उतना ही स्कॉटलैंड में था. दैट फोर्स्कोर वॉज एज 80, वो भी उतना ही था जितना इंग्लैंड में था उतना सेम वो स्कॉटलैंड में भी मिला. दैट डो, जो दरवाज़ा होते हैं वो भी वुडन के ही थे जैसे इंग्लैंड में थे. द सेम वे, वो अपने शूज़ में खड़ा था और सोच रहा था वो सोच रहा था कि इंग्लैंड के लोग अलग होते हैं, उनके आउटफिट्स अलग होते हैं, सब अलग होता है, लेकिन इंग्लैंड और स्कॉटलैंड में बाकी सारी चीज़ें वैसे की वैसी ही है. वो नॉटी था, उसको कुछ सुनना नहीं था, तो वो वहाँ से भाग के अपने वंडर्स को, अपने डिस्कवरीज को सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए वो स्कॉटलैंड भाग आया था. सो दिस वॉज द पोएम एंड the hard words. Now let us go through the exercise part. Reading is fun. From where did the naughty boy come? The naughty boy came from England. Where did the naughty boy go? The naughty boy went to Scotland. Why did he go there? He went there to see their people. He went there to see the people of Scotland. What did the boy wonder about? The boy wondered about the hard ground and the long yard of the Scotland. He was also amazed to see the red cherries and heavy lead. Let's listen. Listen to this instruction and follow them. Naughty walk forward, fall down. Okay, naughty walks backward, fall down, do a funny trick, walk on tiptoe, drag your feet, spin around. So here are some instructions given to you और उसको follow करना है. One of your friend will come and you will speak any of these instructions from A to J and that boy will do the same thing. Let's talk. What do you think the naughty boy would see in India? The naughty boy would amazed to see temples and monuments in India. Have you been to another place recently? What is it like? How is it different from your own place? This answer should be written by the student itself, but for a knowledge I'm sharing here. Yes, I have been to Dubai last year. It is beautiful place as compared to India. The climate of Dubai is very hot. It has big buildings. More you can write on your own. All cultures have their own folk songs in which each line is repeated. This line is sung in a chorus. Sing a folk song in your own language. ये आपको खुद से करना है. आपके अलग अलग folk songs होंगे तो you can concern your parent and you can find it out. Naughty is a describing word. Can you find more describing words in this maze? इसमें से आपको वो words ढूंढने हैं जो उसने वहाँ पे पोएम में मेंशन किए हैं. सो you need to find this and student will love to do this, so do it by your own self. Now write these words here. The peacock is a national bird. Pinocchio is a, यहाँ पे word मिलेगा आपको. Pinocchio is a wooden puppet. A wood puppet या wooden puppet. तो यहाँ से जो जो भी आपको words find होंगे, on the basis of those words, this filling the blank will be done. So you have to find this first puzzle. You have to solve the puzzle first, and then only you will be able to fill the blanks. Can you write 6 things that are made of wood? Wood से बने हुए 6 things लिखना है, जैसे table, window, chair. The 3 have given, the rest 3 will be found by the student itself. Look at the words given below and put them under the things that they are made of. जो चीज़ जिससे बनी है उसको उसके नीचे लिखना है. जैसे metal है तो metal के नीचे आएगा scissors. Balloon are made of rubber, तो rubber के column के नीचे वहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे rubber. In the wood we will write pencil and similarly chair. I have explained the 4, the rest would be filled by the student itself. Who do you think is the naughtiest child in your class? Describe him or her in 5 lines. So this would be done by student itself only. I cannot help it out. आपके ग्रुप में, आपके फ्रेंड सर्कल में, आपके फैमिली में, कजिन्स में, whosoever is more naughtier than you, you can write 5 lines about the person. Say aloud. Hard, yard, long, song, red, lead, weighty, 80, found, ground. So these are the rhyming words. Now fun time is making a puppet. So you'll be making it by your own self. Here it is the last part is nationality. For an example, India, so it's Indian. Scotland is a Scottish. Australia is a Australian. France is the French. And Japan has a Japanese. So these are the nationalities that I have explained, and will give you also the written notes as well. So I hope you have understood this poem and had words, and you'll be able to finish all the exercise part. Stay at home, be safe.